a local gunsmith, a firefighting hero, Marine Corps veteran that never missed his mark. That may be all he is to you, but to me, that's just where he starts. 'Cause he held me close at my grandma's grave. He wiped my tears, told me to be brave. Never let the world know you're weak. He taught me how to fish and hunt this land, and how to grow up to be a better man. Lives his life like an honest man should. Yeah, he's a great man, and he's my best friend. He's my grandpa. He helped me hold my gun when I killed my first dove, and he was right there when I skinned my first buck. I've seen a lot of country with that old man, and you know he's always been my #1 fan. 'Cause he never missed a touchdown run, a basketball game, or any home runs. And he was always right there in the stands. I cried on his shoulder when I got my heart broken. He never leaves a word unspoken, and he always knows just what to say. Yeah, he's a wise man, and he's my best friend. He's my grandpa. I know one day that he will be gone, but I won't have to be without him for very long. He'll be the angel watching over me, protecting me and my family. And I'll have to pick up where he leaves off, 'cause he's a family man, and he's my best friend.